Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows. First steps is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Change to High Performance. Click and expand Processor Power Management. Click and expand Minimum Processor State, change to 0%. Click and expand Maximum Processor State, change to 100%. Second step is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab, disable all startup apps one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.